Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a trading bot on Kucoin. First, log into your Kucoin account and locate the Trading Bot section. You'll find several automated trading strategies designed to help you manage your crypto assets. We'll walk through selecting a bot, configuring its settings, and getting it up and running to automate your trades. Kucoin provides several trading bot options, including spot grid, futures grid, and dollar cost averaging, or DCA. The spot grid bot, for instance, is excellent for markets that fluctuate within a defined price range, aiming to buy low and sell high. Futures grid bots allow for leveraged trading, offering both long and short positions. Choose the bot that best aligns with your trading strategy and comfort with risk. Once you've selected a bot, you'll need to configure its parameters. This includes setting your total investment, which can be as low as 10 USD for some bots. For grid bots, define the upper and lower price limits within which the bot will operate. You can also specify the number of grids, influencing how many buy and sell orders are placed. Remember to explore advanced settings like stop loss and take profit to manage risk effectively. After configuring all your settings, review them carefully, then activate your bot. Your bot will now begin executing trades automatically based on your defined strategy. It's crucial to monitor its performance regularly through the Kucoin Trading Bot dashboard. Market conditions can change, so be prepared to adjust your bot's parameters or even stop it if necessary to protect your investment. This ensures your bot continues to align with your trading goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.